Today we'll do some massages, neck stretches, and above all, we'll focus on the exercise, brow press, as it's extremely good for releasing tension from the forehead area. And once you've mastered it, it's relatively easy and quick to use in between, so it's good to really master it well and consciously. And today we're working on laying this foundation for your further face yoga practice. We'll start with the brow press. Place the lower part of your palms on your eyebrows and gently wrap your fingers around your head. Press your palms slightly outwards and upwards. At the same time, close your eyes tightly so that you activate the muscles around the eyes. Make sure your shoulders drop, your neck remains relaxed, and you breathe freely. Feel your eyelids gently contracting. Breathe in and out consciously. And then release the position. Now take your index and middle fingers and place them above and below the brows. Pinch the eyebrows between your fingers and gently stroke from the center of the forehead to the temples. This gently stretches the brow muscles. A slight pulling sensation is perfectly fine. Repeat the brow press. Position your hands, press outwards and upwards. Close your eyelids. Feel your brows working along. It's almost as if you're frowning slightly, but you're holding the resistance with your palms. Make sure your shoulders stay down and your neck is long. Then release again. With your index and middle fingers, stroke the brows again from the center to the sides. Breathe deeply and let go of the brows. One last time, brow press. Place your hands, gently press outwards and upwards. Feel how the area between your eyebrows opens up. Close your eyes tightly while the lips, the jaw, and the tongue remain relaxed. Let your shoulders drop. Notice the tension in your eyelids. The muscles are warming up. Then release again and stroke the brows outwards to the temples. Connect with your face and feel how the brows become softer. If you haven't done so yet, apply a little oil to your forehead and brows now. Make a fist with one hand and place your knuckles between your eyebrows. Make small circular movements up and down. It can be sensitive there at first. Take your time and go at your own pace. Release tension in this area. Feel clarity and calm in your head. Afterwards, carefully position your hands on your temples and very gently pull your brows up and outwards. With 3 fingers, you can now gently stroke the area between the eyebrows upwards from the bridge of the nose to the hairline. Alternate your hands, repeatedly moving from the center upwards. Then alternate both hands. To finish, let your fingertips glide from the center of your forehead to your temples. Imagine your eyebrows widening outwards. Take a deep breath and feel the calmness in your face. Now place the heels of your hands so they cover your eyebrows well. Gently embrace your head with your fingers without pulling your forehead up. Keep your forehead as relaxed as possible. Gently press your brows outwards and slightly upwards with your palms. Close your eyes tightly. Rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Keep your elbows open. Feel how your eyebrow muscles are allowed to become active. Maybe you also feel the tension next to your nose or under your eyes. Notice where you feel this movement the most. Take a deep breath in, release the pose, and relax. Now we lift one arm over the head. Place your hand on the opposite temple. Gently lower your ear to your shoulder. Feel the stretch along the side of your neck up to your temple. Breathe calmly and steadily. Switch sides. Other arm up. Hand on the opposite temple. Let your head sink to the side. Keep your shoulders down. You can gently rock your head in small movements to find the stretch where it's needed. Come back to the center. We'll repeat the brow press. First, relax your forehead. Place the heels of your hands on your brows again. Cup your forehead with your hands. Gently push outwards and upwards. Close your eyes tightly, almost as if you were pulling your eyes into their sockets. Keep your lips and jaw relaxed. The tongue rests on the roof of the mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Breathe deeply and maintain this tension. Slowly release. Raise one arm over your head again. Place your hand on the opposite temple. Let your ear sink towards your shoulder. A gentle side neck stretch. Breathe deeply. Maybe move your chin slightly to find more length. Then switch sides. Arm up, hand on the temple. Let your head sink to the side. Imagine the stretch flowing from the shoulder joint right up into your face. Slowly release. One last time, the brow press. Relax your forehead, place the heels of your hands on your brows, and cup your head with your fingers. Gently push outwards and upwards. Feel the area between your eyebrows opening up. Close your eyes tightly, tongue on the roof of the mouth, lips and jaw soft. Breathe deeply, let the tension from your eyelids flow up into your brow muscles. Consciously notice the activation, almost like a small frown, but one that you control with your hands. Breathe deeply, stay present. Then release the position. Lift one arm over your head again, hand to your temple, ear to shoulder, jaw relaxed. Feel the length along the side of your neck all the way up to your face. Small micro movements can help to deepen the stretch. Release. Other side. Arm up, hand to your temple, tilt your head toward your shoulder. Feel how the entire sideline from your shoulder to your temple expands. Come back to the center. Inhale deeply through your nose, exhale through your mouth a few times, and consciously feel into the area of your forehead and eyes. Let your forehead relax. Imagine your forehead widening. Let your eyebrows release to the sides. Take another deep breath in and out. Notice the calmness in your face. The upper part of your face feels relaxed now.